Here, I'm gonna do all of these at the same time. Are you sure? Oh. Okay, I dropped that one. Can I have some? Watch, I'm gonna do all of these. I wanna have some. Okay. I wanna have one right now. There's one.
These are the Red Devils.
Okay, start out the car, my friend.
Okay, it's coming. Yeah.
That was good. Let's help that sucker.
Look, I got. Watch, I'm gonna throw all of these. Okay. Be careful. Look, watch. 2 more.
Wow.
Do it. Big one. Okay, do it. Watch. No, don't be too close. Ready? Woohoo! Oh my god. Respect. Oh my god, fireworks! I stepped out, I'm not scared. Watch out, Mom. Hello, doggy. Would you like an interview?
Right, America.
He's like, I don't know about this July 4th.
Would you like an interview?
America.
Would you
$7
Pomeranian one day?
gallon.
Oh no! Oh no, sir! Mister, I want to have some. I want to have one.
You mean your president problem?
One.
That's it.
I want to have one. Okay, why don't we just stop just what I'm saying? Huh?
I'm so scared right now.
Jack, you up?
I'll catch. No. Just catch me.
Hey, throw some of those things that you got some? Hey, but not the direction though.
Okay, just give one to me.
Never mind.
Okay. Stop. Oh my god. Enzo.
Ow!
Stop. That was a big one. I don't know if you guys saw it. Where are the other fireworks? What? Why are they working? No. Come on. Can I have one? Can I have one? I want to have one. Watch. Thank you. Go. Oh, that got a little spark. Fireworks? Yeah.
Look, Mom. The zombie one. I don't know. It's called zombie.
Okay. Boring.
Bella.
Oh, it's amazing. Sparkling. Fireworks. Can I?
I always jump over. What are you talking about? They learned all that from me.
Oh, it's getting smoke all over. It's getting smoke all over.
Hurry, gotta do it quick. 1, 2, 3, go. No, it's little go. Forget it, you're scared. Bella, Johnny.
Just don't do it. No, don't. Just don't do it.
It's like dead.
Just don't do it. Oh my god, that's big. That's big. It wore off. That was a good time. It had a little spark. Can I have some? What is that? Oh, it's the it's the scorpion lolly. Oh,
that was beautiful.
why was there so much smoke? Come on. that long. There's so much smoke around. Hello there, would you like an interview? Wait, come here, come here. Come there, come there. What? Would you like an interview?
Oh, you know they already
Sure.
went for those guys.
I'm eating scorpions. Yes, the scorpion. Would you like an interview? It tastes good. Why are you eating a scorpion?
I'll show you when it's hot. See the red in there?
Yeah.
Just don't want you to burn yourself. If there's nothing in it, you can just touch it first.
Oh, dang! I'm gonna sit. Oh! Leave it to you guys to enjoy the show.
Yeah. No.
I'll leave you guys to enjoy the fireworks, okay?
Yeah. No.
What does it smell like smoke?
It's burning.
Did I? Yeah.
Did
You're
bring
eating
that back
it?
for her?
You're eating it?
Hello. Lock his ears. Lock his ears. He needs the headphones.
Which one is this one called, Victoria? Morning glory?
Victoria, she's
Is he traumatized or is he just watching their fireworks show?
He feels okay with it.
I see the scorpion.
Look at that. Look at that Bella. You're not paying attention. Look. Bye.
Good stuff.
You were waiting there. Swimming through a party. Look, Dad, you're not looking, Bella. Look at all those fireworks. They're non-stop. Are you seeing that, Bella? Yeah, it's non-stop. You guys should not let us see those when
All
they're
right,
on.
it's the 4th of July.
I hope we have it next year. They're doing it over there almost too. Are they? Yep. They're doing it and they're waiting for the other side.
Did you find out leg already? That's what you ate it. Did you eat it?
That's actually a long time.
You ate that? You ate it? Let me see.
All right, peace out.